And in this video you will learn how we can send multiple emails by using BBA. So as you are seeing my screen, I have created this table wherein I have two columns and I have put here the email IDs uh, of the audience to whom I want to put into, and similarly CC column, and this is the subject column. This will be the subject of particular mail, and this D column is the body column, basically the mail body column. Here you can see I have typed all the text which I want to put on mail body, and the E column is the attachments column. So in this column I have given the path along with the report name and extension. So I want to attach this file on this email, and the last one is the status. In this column VBA will update the status as sent once this particular email will be sent. Okay, so let me show you. I'll click on this button, then these 10 reports on 10 emails will be sent. So let me show you. I'm just clicking on this. So this Outlook message will be appear here. So click on allow, means first email has been sent. And now I will click on allow again, then the second email has been sent. You can see here the status is getting updated automatically when I will click on allow. Now you can see here first email has received, you can see the report one. So like that you can send the multiple email. Now we will learn how we can create this macro. Send all the email. Now you can see we have received this message. Click on this, and now let me show you the email which I have sent. So I'll go to my Outlook, and you can see these are the emails which we have received from 1 to 8. Two emails are yes, report 9 is also received, report 10 is also. Now let me open one email. You can see here in this email you can see the 2 and CCID, the attachment report 9, the subject, whatever subject I put in Excel, and this is the mail body, whatever I put there. So friends, how we can automate this system, I'll tell you today. So let me close this. I'm going back to the Excel, and here I'll go to the new worksheet. I'll add a new sheet here. I'll go back to the send mail sheet, and I'm just copying this table because I'll use the same table again, and go to the sheet 1, and I will paste this data here. Let me format this like this, and I'll take the row height as 15. Alright, so now I'll go to the Visual Basic, or you can press Alt F11 also. Otherwise, you can go from the Developer tab, then click on Visual Basic. Here I will insert a new module. In this module, I'll type my macro. Let's say sub send multiple email. Okay, so first of all, I'll declare the bug sheet. So this is sheet 1. I'm taking the same name. Dim sh as worksheet, set sh equal to this workbook dot sheets, then paste it here, sheet 1. Okay friends, now I'll take two objects. One is, let's say, OA, sorry, dim OA as object and dim MSG as object. Okay, and I'll set OA equal to create object and then we will give the object name here. So I'll give outlook dot application. So I want to create the outlook dot application, or you could use the reference also from here if you don't want to create the object. I'll tell you later how we can use the reference of outlook. Okay, so here I'm taking now msg equal to oa dot create item, and then we will put 0. But we want to create this item multiple times because we have to send the multiple email. So here I'll take first of all them I as integer, then I'll take one more integer that will be dim last row. So I want to calculate the last row of my data as integer. Okay, and I will set the last row equal to, so I can use count a, I can count the this A to A range to get the last row. So I'll use application dot count a, application dot worksheet function, then count a, this one, and here I'll give the range ss dot range A to A. So whatever the return of this function, that will be my last row. So I'll use for I equal to, and I want to run the loop from row number second because my actual data is starting from row number second. First row is the header. Okay, 2 2, and it will run till last row, and here we can use next I. Now in this loop, first of all I'll create this message, and then I will use, so we have to put the set before the message, and now I'll use msg dot to equal to, I'll use ss dot range, and then you can see in two column I'll give first, for first email I'll give a2, then a3, then a4. So first of all I'll give a2, that means I'll use a and I. Every time when value of I will be changed, it will pick the dynamic value from there. So dot value, and similarly we will take msg dot cc equal to ss dot range b and I dot value. If you don't have any email to send to keep in cc, then you can keep column b as blank. Okay, now the third column is subject, so we'll take msg dot subject equal to ss dot range. Now this time I'll take c and I dot value. Now here the column D is a body, so msg dot body equal to ss dot range D and I dot value. Okay, and the last the next column is attachment. Okay, here we will use attachment, but it may be possible if you don't have the attachment and you just want to send email, you don't want to keep the attachment on that particular email, then you can keep it blank. So I'm just putting the condition here, and that will be if ss dot range e and I dot value is not equal to blank, then it will attach that file. Okay, and here we will type msg dot attachments dot add, and then space, we will give the complete path along with the file name and extension. So we have put it on column E, you can see here. Okay, so here I'll give the ss dot range E and I dot value. All right friend, now the time to put here msg dot send. So message will be sent. If you don't want to send it, you just want to display this, then you can use dot display. Okay, I'll show you how we can use display and how we can use this send. So for the time being, I'm just going here, I'm just deleting these reports. Okay, I'm just keeping two reports here to saving the time. And here after this loop you can put your message box, whatever message you want to put here, mail send or anything else. Okay, so here we have used display. So let me insert a shape here, edit text, let's say run macro or anything else. Now I will assign the macro on this, assign macro, and this macro which I have created. Now click on this. You can see two email has been created and it has displayed it, not sent. So this is the email 2 and this, let me close this, this is the email 1. Okay friends, if you want to send, and this is the message. And now let me send this email. So remove this display, I'm just putting the comments there. Now I want to type dot send. Now run this and you can see this email is getting sent, and if you will click on allow, then it will send that email. So click on allow. You can see report 1 is has received, and now you will receive the we will receive the report 2 also, this report 2. Okay, so it's working. So friends, that's how you can create the macro to send the multiple email. It can be helpful when you have to send the number of emails and you have the fixed pattern to send that emails. You can create the table like that and you can send the multiple emails. Friends, I will upload this Excel file to my Google Drive. You can download it from there. You can see the code or you can use in your daily work. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for the watching.